Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making marshmallow filled cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of French vanilla cake mix, mini marshmallows, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. You can set your oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, I'm going to add my cake mix. Then you're going to add your 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And also your 2 eggs. And we're going to mix until well combined. Once you have your cake batter mixed, you're going to go ahead and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now you want to roll your cake mix cookie dough into balls and place them onto your baking sheet. Now we're going to take 2 to 3 marshmallows and you're going to just press them into the center. Next, we're just going to take a little bit of the cookie dough, place it right over top. Now all you want to do is press down and cover up your marshmallows. Okay guys, once you're done, your cookies should look like this. So we're going to put them into our oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, our cookies are out the oven and look how pretty they are. We're going to let them cool off before I move them to a cooling rack. Okay guys, so I have our cookies onto a cooling rack so they can cool down completely. Okay guys, so here we have it, our marshmallow filled cake mix cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.